Welcome to ChatGPT's top strategies for making money quickly and easily. Are you tired of struggling financially and looking for ways to make extra cash? Look no further. ChatGPT is here to guide you through proven methods for increasing your income and achieving your financial goals. First, let's talk about online marketplaces. With the rise of e-commerce, online marketplaces like Amazon and Etsy have become lucrative opportunities for entrepreneurs. ChatGPT can help you research profitable products to sell and optimize your listings to attract more customers. Next, let's discuss the power of affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies and promoting their products, you can earn commission on each sale made through your unique referral link. ChatGPT can assist you in finding the right affiliate programs for your niche and creating high-converting marketing materials. Third, let's explore the world of dropshipping. This business model allows you to sell products without having to hold inventory or handle shipping. ChatGPT can help you find reputable suppliers, set up your online store, and market your products effectively. Let's talk about the potential of earning passive income through investments such as stocks, real estate, and cryptocurrency. ChatGPT can provide you with valuable insights and analysis to make informed investment decisions and grow your wealth over time. Utilize ChatGPT's advanced natural language processing capabilities to analyze market trends and make informed investment decisions. By utilizing the power of ChatGPT, you can quickly and easily stay up to date on the latest financial news and make informed decisions about where to invest your money. Use ChatGPT to automate your trading strategy. By programming ChatGPT with your preferred trading strategy, you can have the model execute trades on your behalf, allowing you to make money even while you're away from your computer. Take advantage of ChatGPT's ability to process large amounts of data quickly by using it to analyze a wide range of financial indicators. From stock prices to economic indicators, ChatGPT can help you make sense of the complex financial landscape and identify opportunities for making money. Use ChatGPT to build custom financial models. Whether you're looking to predict stock prices or estimate the value of a particular investment, ChatGPT can help you create accurate and reliable models that can help you make money. Use ChatGPT to create your own financial products or services. Whether you're looking to launch a new investment fund or create a financial advisory service, ChatGPT can help you bring your ideas to life and make money. Use ChatGPT to automate your budgeting and expense tracking. By programming ChatGPT with your financial goals and budget, you can have the model automatically track your spending and help you stay on budget. Take advantage of ChatGPT's ability to process large amounts of data quickly by using it to analyze a wide range of financial indicators, such as stock prices, economic indicators, and more. By identifying patterns and trends in this data, you can gain a deeper understanding of the market and make more informed investment decisions. Use ChatGPT to create custom financial reports. Whether you're looking to track your portfolio performance or analyze your spending habits, ChatGPT can help you create detailed and accurate financial reports that can help you make money. Use ChatGPT to create custom financial dashboards. Whether you're looking to track your portfolio performance or analyze your spending habits, ChatGPT can help you create custom dashboards that provide a clear and concise view of your financial data. Use ChatGPT to create custom financial alerts. Whether you're looking to be notified of market fluctuations or when a particular stock reaches a certain price, ChatGPT can help you create custom alerts that keep you informed and help you make money. These are just a few examples of the many ways ChatGPT can help you make money quickly and easily. Don't wait any longer to start achieving your financial goals. Tune into our video to learn more and start taking action today. Please, like, share, comment and subscribe.